Good morning, dear children. Today we will start a new lesson, Lesson 5, India Physical Features. Our next lesson is India Physical Features. In this lesson, you are going to learn about the location and boundaries of our country, and also you will learn about the physical divisions or the physical regions of our country. Do you know which is our motherland? India. Our motherland is India, and it is a big and beautiful country with different types of landforms. We have mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, deserts, islands, and so on. This makes our country so beautiful. Our country, India, is the 7th largest country in the world. Name the imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves. Equator. We have studied that the equator divides the earth into two equal halves. The part above the equator, that is northern hemisphere, and the part below the equator, that is southern hemisphere. Our India is situated in the northern hemisphere. Our India is situated in the northern hemisphere. And in the first lesson we have studied about different types of latitudes, some important latitudes on the earth. Latitudes are also imaginary lines on the earth's surface. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost through the middle of our country. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost through the middle of our country. So, India is the 7th largest country in the world, and its total area is about 3.29 million square kilometers. And our country, India, is situated in the northern hemisphere. And the Tropic of Cancer passes almost through the middle of our country. The length of our country from north to south direction is about 3,200 kilometers. What is the opposite of length? Breadth or width? The width of our country from east to west is about 3,000 kilometers. Children, the distance of our country from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 kilometers, while the distance from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat is about 3,000 kilometers. In the previous lesson, we have studied about peninsula. What is a peninsula? A piece of land surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. And also we have studied that the southern part of our country is a peninsula. The southern part of our country is surrounded by water on three sides. The southern part of our country is surrounded by the Arabian Sea on the west, the Bay of Bengal on the east, and to its south lies the Indian Ocean. The northern boundary of our country is the Himalayas. Name the four boundaries of our country. To the west, the Arabian Sea. To the east, the Bay of Bengal. To the south, the Indian Ocean. And to the north, the Himalayas. Once again, the four boundaries are the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean, and the Himalayas. India shares some common boundary with some neighboring countries. Let's see which are they. They are China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. So, once again, Bhutan, Nepal, China, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. Then The directions are: we share common border with China, Bhutan and Nepal in the north. In the east, we have Myanmar and Bangladesh. In the northwest, we share common border with Pakistan. So, the directions are: we share common border with China, Bhutan and Nepal in the north. In the east, we have Myanmar and Bangladesh. In the northwest, we share common border with Pakistan. Let's continue. How do you describe a person? We can talk about the shape of his eyes, his nose and his weight and height. These are the physical features of a person. If you want to know about a country, you have to understand the physical features of a country. What are physical features? In the previous lesson, we have studied that the mountains, the hills, the plateaus, the plains, the deserts and islands are physical features of a country. Now we are going to learn about the physical features of our country. On the basis of these physical features, our country is further divided into physical divisions or physical regions. Let's see which are the different types of physical divisions of our country. They are the Himalayas, the Northern Plain, the Deccan Plateau and the coastal plains. Name the 4 physical divisions of our country. Once again, the Himalayas, the Northern Plain, the Deccan Plateau and the coastal plains are the physical divisions of our country.